And we're taking you straight to our developing story at 5 p.m. Aryan Khan, the son of superstar Shah Rukh Khan, has just been brought to the Qilla court complex in Mumbai. He is inside the courtroom along with the other accused. Aryan Khan was so far on the court premises but has now been taken inside the courtroom for the custody extension hearing. After supplier Anchit was sent to Narcotics Control Bureau custody till October the 9th. The narcos are now pushing for Aryan's custody extension and has told the court that they need to confront Aryan Khan with this alleged supplier named Anchit Kumar. The Narcotics Control Bureau inside court is arguing that they need time to establish the entire so-called drug gang. The big question now is, what is the court going to say? The last hearing, the court granted 3 days custody of Aryan Khan to the Narcotics Control Bureau. Now the narcos are saying we want 4 more days of custody to interrogate and confront Aryan Khan with some of the others who've been arrested. In a very short while from now, we will know whether that request is granted or whether Aryan Khan gets to go free for the moment after spending 5 nights in the custody of the Narcotics Control Bureau following that superstar drug bust on board the Cordelia rave party cruise. I'm joined live by our frontline reporters who've brought you every aspect of this story as it has broken accurately in Mumbai. Mustafa Sheikh is live from the Qilla court. Divyesh Singh is live from the Narcotics Control Bureau office. Let me go straight first to Mustafa. Mustafa, Aryan has just been taken inside the courtroom. We have a remand copy as well, which lists out the Narcotics Control Bureau's case for why they are seeking an extension in the custody of Aryan Khan. He's already spent 5 days with the narcos and they basically want 4 more days, Mustafa.
Yes, and that is the main reason for this is Anchit Kumar, a person who has been arrested. He has been remanded to police custody till 9th of October. Apparently, NCB is saying that it was Aryan and Arbaz who had named this Anchit Kumar and he is a supplier and hence their confrontation and further custody and also in confrontation with the foreign national is needed. What NCB is saying is that all these 8 accused should be seen as a conspiracy and hence their custody is required. ASG has made submissions for the custody to establish the entire gang operating in this field. Aryan had given the name of Anchit Kumar and he was arrested yesterday. Small quantity was found with Anchit Kumar, but the question is that one crime is connected with other crime. I have to establish entire conspiracy. I cannot segregate with one with other and hence this custody is needed. And apparently Aryan Khan in the court has retracted his second statement which was given to NCB, and this was the statement in which he had named Anchit Kumar, basis of which Anchit Kumar was arrested. Aryan Khan has just retracted this statement. Just let me tell you that these statements which are being made, which are made in front of the NCB are voluntary and hence can be withdrawn in court. So NCB has completed their argument saying that it's a larger conspiracy which they need to investigate and hence they are asking for a custody till 11th of October. Back to you.
Anchit Kumar is the reason why they are requesting the court to grant them Aryan Khan's custody till October the 11th. I'll be joined in a moment also by Sahil Joshi, our Mumbai Bureau Chief. In the meanwhile, I also want to bring in Divyesh Singh, a part of our crime team. He's been looking very closely at the Narcotics Control Bureau's operations. Divyesh, since last night, this entire case has taken on a hugely political flavor. Many people have been detained or arrested. The Narcotics Control Bureau is also fighting many political allegations that have come from the side, from the Maharashtra government itself. But the Narcotics Control Bureau, according to you, Divyesh, says it is completely focused on the case and it is proceeding in the way that it has so far.
Yes, Shiv, the allegations that were levelled by NCP Nationalist Congress Party leader Nawab Malik against NCB's operations and in particular the raid that happened happened on the cruise at Mumbai. NCB has clearly stated that every particular rule was followed. It was under the law that the operation was carried out and whatever allegations are being leveled by the NCP leader are due to malice, and some earlier action that was taken by the NCB against his son-in-law Samir Khan, who was arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau and had to spend 8 months in jail before being released on bail. So these allegations are just being made due to a prejudice and malice, which are because of the arrest of Samir Khan that was also carried out by Narcotics Control Bureau.
Okay, so all eyes. 2 locations where our 2 reporters are standing right now. Mustafa at the Killa court. It is from that location behind Mustafa where in a few moments from now we're going to know whether Aryan Khan gets to go back home or whether he gets to go back to where Divyesh is now. That's the Narcotics Control Bureau where he has spent the last 5 nights. Those 2 locations are key to what comes next, ladies and gentlemen, and that's why I'm highlighting that. Meanwhile...